What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. This video is all about lovebirds. So here in this video, we'll be sharing about how to pet lovebirds at home. Secondly, the life cycle of lovebirds, and thirdly, the do's and don'ts. Okay, now when you think of petting a lovebird at home, make sure the cage is very spacious so that birds will feel free to fly around and feel very comfortable. And please do keep the cage in a very shaded place away from the sun, as too much of heat will make them feel very tired. Also make sure you clean the cage very often and try to keep the cage as clean as possible. Let us be more careful while serving them with food because not every food item will suit them. Food that budgies eat are millets, coriander leaf, spinach, curry leaf and corn. Once in a while you can feed them with eggs and tomatoes. And keep a bowl of water. Also make sure you change it every day. And their favorites are coriander leaves and corn. Love to eat them. And this is all about its food, a very important factor. Let us decorate the cage with different items so that they love to play around. They like to play with swings, balls and threads, also colorful items. Another important thing they need in a cage is a pot to lay eggs. Fix the pot on top edge of the cage, and you can cover the top of the pot with coconut shells so that it will be more comfortable to lay eggs. Budgies are also very friendly to humans. Do not scare them by making loud noise or trying to catch them. Keep the cage away from children because kids like to catch the bird and play with them, and sometimes they even try to open the door of the cage and let the birds fly. Now let us know about few of the behaviors of birds by which we can predict their feelings.
Using the body language, they can tell us when they are hungry, frightened, tired, or sick. When the bird is standing on one leg without sleeping or chattering, he is most likely bored. During summer times, it keeps their wings open to cool down their body temperature. When the bird cocks their head, as shown in the image, it means that they are curious about something. Birds do too many things to show they care about another bird. Preening is the budgie's way of keeping clean and well groomed. The birds will often do a little grooming of each other, usually in the head and chin areas. You can easily differentiate between the male and the female by looking into their nose. Budgies enjoy interaction with humans. As soon as your budgies have learned that you are not a threat, and it most likely going to enjoy being pet. Budgies will show you affection, include making a lot of noise, active body movements, touch, and being playful.
Do you know that lovebirds can fight? In fact, lovebirds turn very aggressive for few reasons. Mostly for pots and also for the companion's sake. You know, when a mate of the lovebird is separated from the flock, or if it dies, unfortunately, the companion will go into depression and sometimes get sick. Seems like they are very emotional. So let me also share few more details about lovebirds that is mind-blowing. Number 1. Budgies are natives of Australia. Number 2. Budgies love music. Number 3. Budgies live for around 5 to 10 years. Number 4. Budgies mate for their lifetime. Number 5. Though the birds are very small, they have around 3,000 feathers. Number 6. Dehydration can kill your bird very quickly. Make sure there is water in a cage. Number 7. Keep the budgies entertained by turning on the TV or radio when you're not around them. I think that is why people like to pet budgies at home, and they are so special to them. So now let me tell you how many birds we have at home and how we take care of them. We bought them home 6 months back, and there were just 2 pairs. This is Booba. She looks beautiful in her yellow feathers. And this is Chilli, one of the playboy in our cage. And this is another pair that we bought. Soon after we brought them home, they started laying eggs. Now let us see how this ladybird laid its egg and took care of its little birds. This is Fizzy. Once we brought home, she started mating, and we could notice some abnormal behaviors in her. Soon after that, for our surprise, it laid an egg and protected it from all other birds. And for every alternate days, she laid an egg. So during this period, she'll spend most of her time in the pot to keep the egg warm and safe. And she keeps sitting on the egg all through the day. And now she laid the second egg. During this period, when she keeps herself inside the pot to protect the eggs, the male bird becomes more responsible in taking care of the mother bird by feeding her. And now you can see, as we are using the flashlight while taking a video, the bird is getting disturbed and trying to protect the eggs away from us. But let us try our best not to disturb them, at least during this period of time. And also the male bird will stay inside the pot most of the time to help the mother bird protect her eggs and make her more comfortable. At this time, when we try to touch them or go near the pot, it really bites us. So try to stay away from the pot at this time. And now it's time for her to lay another egg. Yes, successfully she laid another egg. And the eggs are very small in size, as you could see. So now the other birds from the cage were so excited to look at the eggs, just came in to poop. Just got escaped from the bite of the male bird.
Uh-oh.
It was a nice escape. Yes, finally she laid another egg. So altogether it's 4 now.
Now, after 18 days, the chick comes from the egg.
We were very excited to see the new arrival of the baby bird. They were really cute and tiny. So eventually the eggs started hatching one by one, and the mother bird was very well taking care of the baby birds, because sometimes the other birds in the cage will just come in to peep into the pot and disturb the baby birds. So at this time the mother bird will come to protect the baby birds. And this is the noise when they make when they get disturbed, or we can say this is the sound of danger. So when we started going near to catch the video, they started shouting out of terror. And yes, let us not disturb them. So for the bird to fully grow up and come out of the pot, it will take around 20 days. So altogether, the mother bird will stay inside the pot for around 40 days. In the complete process of laying egg, hatching, and for the birds to grow up.
Meanwhile, let us know how to shower your budgies. You can shower water on them, or you can create a tub so that it takes bath by its own. But do not throw water harshly on them. There are chances that they might get cold.
No.
Do not feed the birds with junk food or snacks. It is unhealthy for birds and eventually it becomes sick. Allow them to eat only the suggested food items, which is healthier for them too. Look at the different stages of birds. After hatching, in the first week, the birds are very tiny and without any hairs. In the second week, we can see them growing rapidly with the slight hairs on them. In the third week, we can see the wings coming out. Finally, in the fourth week, the bird is fully grown up and starts to come out of the pot and tries to fly slowly by beating its wings. And finally, one day it starts to fly within the cage but not outside. Now the young budgies start eating by themselves. joining the other birds in the cage. And now they are not under the care of their parent birds and start doing things on their own and fly around the cage. At present, we have around 10 birds in our cage.
Now you can see the birds feeding another bird.